daughter's 24th birthday today.
It's September 26th, Wednesday, and we're at the construction site, and man, are we excited. The first thing Scott and I noticed on the back of the school is they're laying sod.
Yep, so that's the practice field, and this is the soccer field.
And Scott even pointed out this beautiful, the beautiful work on the topsoil. There's not any rocks. They've sifted through it, and they're making it perfectly smooth.
Isn't that amazing to see it green up that quick? Look, they've done the drainage area already. It's already grassed.
Wow, let's go ahead and take another view. They're getting ready with the sprinkling system on the other side of the library. And that's new. And let's go over here, Scott. So you're a plumber, Scott.
Yeah.
Talk about what you think's
Those are
happening.
mine big pipes. They have a lot more water to move than your average house, I'll tell you that. Look how big they are. I'm just so excited to know that they're planning the sod a year in advance so our kids will be able to use it next spring.
Yeah, isn't that fantastic?
Yeah.
Okay, there's your update.